Good day, Ma'am Jerna. I am Kenneth Jan Micabalo from Grade 11 STEM Siargao. So today I am going to show you our first aid kit and also our emergency kit. So we have our first aid kit from STEMtech. So in our first aid kit we have inside we have betadine, this one for disinfectant, ointment for wounds, and also we have a elastic bandage for also wounds. Here also triangular bandage, and also a towel for our first aid kit. Also we have here for swab test. Next is we have a wipes. Next is for spray. You can put alcohol in there. We have our thermometer, so that we can when we evacuate, or we can know if there's someone got sick. We also have earbuds. We also have here a plaster. We have here band-aid for also wounds. It is not only one but all. Here we have whistle. This is one of the most important, so that they could we know where our family members. We have here cotton. We also have here a medicine or ointment for our wounds, and lastly we have pain reliever or pain rub, and that's all in our first aid kit. So next, and last one is one of the most important things we should prepare in case of the disaster happen. So we have here a bag for our emergency kit. So we have here 1 liter of water, light that glow in the dark light, so that we could easily find our family member. Also we have here a flashlight. Let's open this flashlight, and we also need to charge this. Next, we should open the inside. So the important is the medicines. Medicines. If someone got sick in the evacuation area, we have medicine, so that we could use or take. We also have our things, underwear, t-shirts, shorts, and anything. Next is a food, no? Biscuits, noodles, we also have here the canned goods, no? Easily good for 2 to 3 days, no? So that we could survive even without even though the ayuda will be late or to given. And also the last one is the pocket knife. This is very essential because it has many functions. It has a knife, screwdriver, scissors, and anything.